Welcome to a short tutorial on OpenLM. So now we'll take a look at group usage extension. Now the group usage extension allows you to group different users, whether application users or admins, into different organizational groups. Now you can set up trees of groups. And there are 4 ways to integrate groups into OpenLM. First of all, you can add them manually. You can use the options file to just pull them from the options file. You can use your Active Directory and synchronize all your groups and users into OpenLM. You can even group the users you synchronize from the Active Directory how you'd like, by their attributes, by the hierarchy, whatever you choose. And the last way is using a CSV file, which you can simply upload into the OpenLM database. Now, what will it give you? So it will enable you to group users into the organizational groups and then see their usage. You can group them in every report of OpenLM. Here you can see their total usage time, but you can also show license usage by the group, and they are filterable in almost all reports of OpenLM. And that's it. Thanks. Bye.